This shows the progress from planting lettuce seeds to harvesting them. So I planted these in March of this year, 2020, and now it's July. So for lettuce, the seeds were really small, and I actually got these from a good friend of mine who bought them from M&S. So these are the seed growing kit. There were actually 12 different plants you can get randomly, and I got lettuce and chili peppers. So this is gonna focus on the lettuce. So I planted 5 seeds on day 1, and by day 7, so a week later, the first started peeking through. And I did water these around every day or every other day. By day 12, the second one started peeking through. And then 2 weeks in, we have all 4 that germinated, so I only had 4 out of the 5 germinate. I did put a little toothpick in to help them stand up because they were quite weak and would lean over, because probably they were planted indoors instead of outside, where like the wind and things would help it grow stronger and stay up by itself. As you can see, the chili peppers started coming in week 3, so they're a lot slower. I also did add fertilizer about once a week or every 2 weeks. Here at this point, I repotted them in a bigger pot to allow them to grow better. By day 50, so about a little over a month and a half in, I started actually harvesting the lettuce. At this point, I was able to pluck them off. There were about 4 to 8 leaves that I could use every week, so I only used the big leaves, like towards the bottom of the plant. And this lasted for a good 3.5 months, that it was growing fairly quickly, and the good weather helped, the sunny days. 3.5 months later, the leaves, as you can see here, they're not as full as they used to be, so smaller leaves, and also less frequent growth, I would say. So by the end of it, like now, July, I'm only getting maybe 4 or 5 leaves per week. And I can tell that they're kind of slowing down. And you can also see that the stems have grown fairly tall, and I think part of the reason is I did this indoors. So I think if you did this outside, you would get fuller plants that are not as tall if they get more sunlight, like direct sunlight.